What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious and the best zesty sauce which is inspired by the outlet Burger King. This is one of my favorite sauce and I want that you also should try this recipe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Using vegetarian mayonnaise for this recipe, but you can substitute it with egg yolk mayonnaise or any mayonnaise that you like. Our Burger King zesty sauce is ready to enjoy. You can enjoy it with fries, even chicken strips or their famous chicken fries. And that's all for today guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. We'll see you in the next video.